Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to start a loan application in Lendio. Starting a loan application with Lendio is simple and designed to match you with multiple lenders in one place. Here's how to do it. First, log into your Lendio account using your registered email and password. Then from your dashboard, you want to look for the option that says apply for a loan or start application. Now click on it and you're going to be directed to a guided form. There you're going to enter your business details such as business name, structure, industry, and years in operation. Go ahead and provide financial information including annual revenue, average monthly deposits, and credit score range. Now you're going to need to select the type of financing that you're seeking, like SBA loans, line of credit, or equipment financing. Once that's done, upload any requested documents when prompted, such as your bank statements or tax returns. Review all entries for accuracy before clicking Submit Application. Now, once submitted, Lendio begins matching you with lenders that fit your profile, often within 24 hours. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.